I thought that I'd catch a buzz, catch a game, catch up with the boys, the same old thing, catch a cab back to my place, but then I saw your face, and then you got me trying. Hey guys, this is Blaze with Blaze Guitar Lessons, and I want to teach you an awesome song. It was released a couple years ago, but it's always on my country station on Amazon, so I'm going to teach it to you right now because I love it. This is Catch by Brett Young. It's a beautiful song, I think. Let's get right into it. So real quick self-promotion, if you like my videos, please subscribe so that you can get notified when I come out with new ones. So standard tuning, put a capo on the 2nd fret there, okay, 2nd fret, and then let's get into it. So this one is, the chords are not, it's not like a Florida Georgia Line typical song, which I love Florida Georgia Line, don't get me wrong, but it's not like where you just do G, D, E minor, C, or like you do the same chords over and over and over in the exact same order through the verse and chorus. It's not like that. So you're gonna have to, the words also change a little bit too, like even in the chorus and stuff. So you will have to like play this through several times in order to get it. In fact, I had to do that too. So, but these are the chords that you're gonna use for the verse, okay? You're gonna do C, okay, and then G, then A minor 7. If you don't know what A minor 7 is, I'm gonna show you. So instead of doing A minor, like where you normally do, you will just lift up your ring finger. See, like that. So you're going to put your ring finger, or sorry, your middle finger on the 2nd fret on the D string, and you're going to leave your pointer finger like you normally would for A minor. You're just going to leave it on the 1st fret on the B string. Okay? So it's those ones, but you're going to be... Alright, so that's how that one goes. So, and then you're going to do F, which in this situation, for F, I would actually just recommend that you just do, if you're having a hard time doing bar chords, just do a power chord. So again, that's going to be 1st fret, pointer finger on the 1st fret on the E string. You're going to put your ring finger on the 2nd fret. I don't know how well you can see that, but this finger's not doing anything. You're going to put your ring finger on the the 3rd fret on the A string, and then you're going to put your pinky on the 3rd fret on the D string. So it's just like, now you don't, again, if you can bar it, that's great. If you can't, this is a very easy way to do it. So then F, okay, so that's how the verse goes. Both verses are like that. The bridge is a little bit different, but both of the verses are like that. So it starts out with, the beginning of the song just starts out with C. So you know how it's like, okay, so you do that until then the lyrics come in, and it's, I wasn't trying to feel like this, I wasn't trying to feel, so you go G, so F, C, wasn't trying to feel like this, then G, wasn't trying to feel nothing at all, I just came, and then you're going to go to A minor 7, so then just like that, remember? So those are the only 2 fingers you're using, and it's just like that. Let's see, where was I? Okay, so you do that. So wasn't trying to feel like this, wasn't trying to G, feel nothing at all. I just came to A minor 7, sorry, me, my friends. And then you go to F, and try to drink a long week off. Sorry, long week off. And then you go back to C. I didn't want to stay too late. Okay, so that's C. I wasn't trying to stay too late. Or sorry, I wasn't trying to close. Oh, that is right. I didn't want to stay too late. Then G. I wasn't trying to close it down. Then you go to A minor 7. I was doing my own thing. And then F. Yeah, until you sat down. And that kind of like builds. So we're going like that, just straight down on F. And then you go into the chorus. And the chorus is going to be a little bit different. So real quick, the verse is C, G, A minor 7, and then F. Okay? First verse you do that twice. 2nd verse you do it once, and that's it. And then you go into the chorus. So the chorus is going to be C, and then E minor, then A minor, and then F. And you're going to do that twice in the chorus. Okay? So you're going to go, I thought that I'd catch a buzz, catch a game. So then, catch up with the boys, the same old thing. So that's C is catch a buzz, catch a game. Then E minor, catch catch up with the boys, the same old thing. And then that same old thing you switch to A minor. Okay, like that. Catch a cab back to my place. And then after place, you go to F. But then I saw your face, now you got me trying to. Okay, so then it goes back to C, when it's now you got me trying to. Catch your eye, catch a name, catch a spark and start a flame. So you see I went from C to E minor, then you go to A minor, which is the way you smile and I can't help myself. So as soon as you hit myself, you do F. Girl, you got me trying to catch my breath. Okay, now, so remember I said you do that twice. So those chords, you're going to go C, E minor, A minor, and then F. You're going to do that twice in the chorus, but you're not done with the chorus yet. So this is where it gets a little bit confusing because you have to remember. So then it's like you're going back into the verse, but you're not, you're finishing off the chorus. So it's the same chords as the verse. Okay, so then it's a, girl, you got me trying to catch my breath. So that's C. Oh, whoa. And then you go to G. You got me trying to, and then you go to A minor 7, catch my breath. Okay, and then you go to F. Okay, so that's how the chorus goes. If you may need to like rewind this through a couple of times because it's like a little bit difficult. It took me a few times to remember it because it's not just the same chord progression over and over and over like a lot of songs. That's one thing I love about this song and I love about Brett Young is this song will stretch you a little bit because you'll have to memorize things. So then the bridge is going to be a little bit different. It's going to be really easy because it's slow. I think it sounds best if you palm mute it, put this part of your hand as low as you can on the strings right by that white bridge right there, okay? And then you're going to pluck either with your finger or with a pick, all right? Okay, so for this one though, I'm just going to use my finger and it's going to be, it starts out with E minor, so you go, okay, then F is next, then back to E minor. And then you're going to do D minor 7. So for that one, you're going to put your middle finger, okay, on the G string on the 2nd fret, and then you're going to like bar the B and the E strings, okay? So you're going to push them down on the first fret. So it'll be like this. Can you see that? So this finger, and then these right here are you're holding it down like that, okay? So then it's okay, so that's how it goes. So let's walk you through it. It's gonna be, you got me catching feelings. I wasn't even trying to feel like this. Okay, so that's E minor. Got me catching feelings. Wasn't even trying to feel. So F, trying to feel. That's an easy way to remember it. Trying to feel like this. Then you go back to E minor. Okay. I don't know how you start stealing my heart like you are. And then you go to D minor 7, all right? All right. Yeah, try to still, let's see. Like you are in this bar, I'm glad you are. And, okay, and then you kind of do like, let it ring out a little bit. And then you go back into the chorus and you're gonna start with C. Cause I thought that I'd catch a buzz, catch a game. Okay. Catch up with the boys, the same old thing. So that's how the song goes. So again, remember the bridge right there, all right, is E minor, F, E minor, and then diminished D minor 7. I thought that and then you go to C. Okay. For the strumming of this song, there's a couple ways you can do it. You can actually just go like up, down, up, down, up, down the whole time. Just like that. It will get old to you, I think, if you do that, but you can do that through the whole song. And if you want to do that for the verses, that would be great. I wasn't trying to feel like this. Wasn't trying to feel nothing at all. Okay, so you can just do that, but in fact, if you're like a really beginner, I would probably recommend doing that. But then when you go to play the chorus, you can still do that same thing. You can go, I thought that I'd catch a buzz, catch a game, catch up with the boys, the same old thing. Okay, so you can do that. I think it sounds better if you try this. So down. So you see that I'm like down a little bit, hesitation, down. So down. See that? I thought that I'd catch a buzz, catch a game, catch up with the boys, the same old thing. So just like that. So that is a way that you can do it. But anyway, let me know if you have any questions. Just for sure listen to the song and try it like while you're trying to play it and strum it. It will make it a lot easier for you. Let me know if you have any questions, and I hope to see you guys next time.